Orange Democratic Movement Party, ODM, this morning met at Chungwa House to unveil candidates for the upcoming by-elections slated for the 27th of November this year. During the unveiling, the party promised thorough campaigns and victory to retain their seats. Let's listen in to what they had to say.
We assure the country and everyone here that we will campaign for our candidates. We will make sure that our candidates are helped, are supported by the party, by members of parliament and all leadership in the party, so that we can make sure our party retains, as Honorable Otiende said, all the seats that we had before the by-elections, and even increase our numbers if possible. My plea is that I want the election board, and they are capable of doing, because the election board has recently conducted a very good grassroots election, which everyone was satisfied with, and the results, the disputes from the results were very minimal compared to other elections. And I want to congratulate first the election board for the good work they have done in conducting the grassroots elections of this year. Based on that, I'm sure they can also conduct very good nominations where nominations are required. Free, fair, and democratic nominations, especially in the constituencies that have many applicants. I've seen there are constituencies which have 4 or 5 applicants, so I'm sure that you will be able to conduct good elections. Lastly, we are in ODM, and our party is ODM, and it remains so now and forever. And we will support ODM candidates in this election. We will campaign for them. I know the political environment that exists now is called broad-based, but that does not affect political parties. Every political party is entitled to fight for its seat, but broadly, we have also, at constituency level, we have agreed that where ODM is the strongest, ODM will fill their candidates. Where the previous holder of the office is ODM candidate, ODM will fill the candidate. For example, in Kasipul, Ogunja, Magarini, those are ODM areas.